Hello everyone! I want to share with you the pattern how to make this beautiful square. If you are thinking to make a summer top, maybe a bolero vest type, that's what I'm intending to make. I want to make a few squares and then see how it goes. I like this square I saw on online. I didn't have the pattern for it, that's why I've estimated amount of chains to make it into the square. I think I've done it pretty well, and I like this the stitches, that it looks like a beautiful flower. I've got popcorn stitches. If you don't know how to make popcorn stitches, please stay with me. I will show you how to make beautiful popcorn stitches. And let's measure this little square just to see how it goes. Approximately 3.5, a little bit more, nearly 4 inches, but it's not quite 4. And it is 9 centimeters around. But mind that when you block this, it can change the size slightly. Cotton usually will be slightly larger when you block it, like this. When you block it, or maybe after you wash this, it will be slightly larger. But I will consider that this is 9 centimeters, and I will make the pattern on 9 centimeters square. 5mm crochet hook and drops cotton. This is recycled cotton, grade A, 50 grams, 125 meters. Kind of fine cotton, but I like using it. I like using drops. It is very affordable and very good quality. And I like the thickness. Thickness is very good. It is not too thick, not too thin. So we will start with amigurumi circle or amigurumi ring. If you want, you can make chain 4 and make it in the circle. I will make amigurumi ring and chain 1. This first chain doesn't count as the chain because this is the part of amigurumi ring, but as you can see, they will be chain 1, chain 2. And double crochet. So I need to make double crochet clusters. So this will be as first one, this is as second, and pull them together like this. Chain 2 and again double crochet cluster. It is unfinished double crochet and another one, and take them together. Chain 2 and repeat. And I need to make first 8 double crochet clusters in the first round. Chain 2 in between, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more. Eight double crochet clusters. I can pull this ring to close. instead of making chain stitches, I can make double crochet. This is the end of first round. For second round, I need to make popcorn stitches. First, I will be making first double crochet. You can make chain 3. I will be making single crochet and chain 2. This will be my first double crochet, second double crochet, third, four, and 5. And so there are 5 double crochets. How to make popcorn? Take the hook out, insert it in the first double crochet. This is my first double crochet. Put this loop back on your hook and take it through your first stitch. This is popcorn. Chain 4. And I will be making 7 more popcorns in chain spaces. 5 double crochets, take the hook out, insert in the first stitch, put the hook back on, and pull that through. Chain 4. Let me show you once again. 5 double crochets, then insert in the first double crochet and take this loop through and make chain 4. I have done 8 popcorns, chain 1 to secure popcorn, and now I'm making treble in the first popcorn. In that way, I am already in this space where I want to be. One more round, it will be double crochet clusters. To make double crochet cluster, I'm making single crochet, chain 1 and unfinished double crochet. First double crochet cluster, 3 chain stitches, second double crochet cluster in the same space, chain 3, double crochet cluster in the next space, chain 3, and one more double crochet cluster. Chain 3, double crochet cluster, chain 3, double crochet cluster in the same space, and this will be the pattern for this round. Double crochet cluster, chain 3 all the way around. Let's finish this round with double crochet. Done. This is the end of the round, and one more round. Let's start with single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet cluster, and I will be making double crochet cluster with 3 double crochets this time. All the same, but 3 double crochet, unfinished double crochets. We are making this into the square, so this is the corner, chain 7, double crochet cluster in the next space, with 3 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. This is the side. So now we are going to the corner again, chain 3, double crochet cluster with 3 double crochets, and chain 7. Double crochet cluster in the next space, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and double crochet cluster. I don't know whose pattern is this. I just saw this square on Pinterest and I kind of figure out how many chains I need to make, so I want to make it into the square. Hopefully it looks like a square. Of course, if you've got different type of yarn, different tension, you can vary the amount of chains you want to make into the square. I wanted to make it as easy as possible, that's why it was 3 all the way around, but if it does not work as chain 3 for you, feel free to change this, maybe to give yourself different amount of chains. Chain 7 in the corner, and double crochet cluster with 3 double crochets. Chain 3 all the way around, single crochet, chain 3, one more single crochet, chain 3 again, double crochet cluster with 3 double crochets, and chain 7 in the corner. Let's make another double crochet cluster, and in no time we've got our square done. And the beauty of these squares that they're nice and small, and you can take them anywhere just to make a square or two, maybe when you are waiting for your dentist, maybe when you are sitting in a bus or in underground or whatever you are doing. Chain 3, and I will finish it with slip stitch. To finish the square, simply make chain 1 and you can cut the yarn. Beautiful square is done. When we connect it, not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm thinking about maybe a little vest, like a bolero type for summer, that I can wear this summer. I will make a few more squares and we'll have a look. If you've got any ideas or what you would like to do with it, just write in the comments below. I will read that. And thank you very much for watching.